Hey guys, it's Worldwide Animals here. Welcome back to another video, and today's video is about beetles. And I got the idea because from when I went to the aquarium, maybe like a couple weeks ago, I noticed that video has 2.5k views, which thank y'all for watching the video and all. So I decided to make a video about it since you guys seem to like beetles. So without further ado, let's get into it. What type of beetles are there? There are surprisingly 51 different types of beetles. Some you might know are Hercules beetles and ground beetles. So yeah, here on the left is a Hercules beetle, and here on the right is a ground beetle. And what I like about Hercules beetles is that they just have like a really long horn, we'll just call it a horn, on their face, which could protect them, which is weird, but cool at the same time. Where do they live? Beetles can live in the desert, by the seashore, in the forest, in the swamp, or even high up on mountains. They are found in caves, meadows, or in forests. Many beetles enjoy human gardens since they are typically moist and filled with easy sources of food. So yeah, that's just basically saying that you can find them anywhere. Basically anywhere, because since there's 51 different types of beetles, that means that there's probably a beetle for almost every type of habitat, except the Arctic. What is their lifespan? Beetles can have a very short life, from 13 days to 6 months of life. And for us, that would basically be half of a year or less for us to live. Now, that would be just literally our first 6 months of life, and then we die. We would not really get to experience anything or remember anything from that time period. How big can a beetle be? Beetles can be from less than a millimeter to 6 inches long. The heaviest beetle in the world weighs 70 to 100 grams, which is equal to 0.154 to 0.220 pounds. So that's probably like 20%, anywhere from 15% to 20% of a pound. What is their diet? Beetles eat plants, other insects, pollen, small fish, and tadpoles. So they have a really big variety of food options depending on where they live and if they're in a situation. And then these are pictures of, this is pollen on the sunflower, and these are tadpoles, which are baby frogs. Who are beetles' predators? Beetles have a lot of predators, from mammals to other bugs. Some you might know are raccoons, moles, skunks, bats, and even other beetles. So yeah, over here on the left, this is a mole, and over here on the right, this is a raccoon, like most of us have in our cities. Beetle babies. Beetles can lay from 1 to 60 eggs at a time, depending on the species of beetles. It can take 4 to 19 days for a beetle to lay eggs, and beetle babies are called grubs. And in my opinion, beetle babies look really nasty. They look like caterpillars, but just in a worse way. So I'm gonna go to the next slide. Now it's time for fun facts. 1 out of every 4 animals on Earth is a beetle, which means that literally 25% animals in the world are basically beetles, surprisingly. Since if there was 100, yeah, it would be a lot. Most adult beetles wear body armor, and adult beetles chew their food, which makes me wonder, that means that babies don't chew their food, or I don't know. And beetles can be noisy, and some beetles glow in the dark, which is actually really cool. And a lot of you guys might not notice, but ladybugs are considered beetles, which I actually didn't know until I made this slideshow. So I learned something too. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead. I'll probably be posting more videos like this, but I'm not forcing it to. I'm just making videos for people to learn about animals. And put down in the comments an animal you'd like me to make a video about, and I got you. Thank y'all for watching, and see y'all later.